Hey guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I finally got my first Telfar bag. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing and I guess just a first impression of the bag. So I have the bag right here. I just got the small chocolate bag. I saw that they didn't have this color regularly, so I was like, I have to get it. And I also already got a black medium one from the bag security program, so I was like, why not get a smaller bag since I already got the medium one, and I feel like the large is too large. So Telfar Clements is a black designer and he basically made these bags. He also just doesn't have bags, he also has a lot of other things that he sells or he designs. So he has like accessories, I know he has belts and jewelry and all that. I know that the shopping bags were really blown up on Twitter over quarantine. I guess it was maybe this summer, I don't really remember. It's been a long time, it's been a long quarantine. So finally got my hands on the bag. I literally got this 2 days ago, I think. So yeah, that's been a huge self-control on my part on not opening this. I ordered this on Monday and it came on Wednesday, so that was really fast shipping on their part, which I appreciate. So excited. I haven't seen any like reviews or photos of this bag besides the website and the resellers, and it looked really good from the resellers photos. So with the bag's increasing popularity, it really like sells out fast. So what I would recommend for you guys is sign up for the newsletter and they'll email you when they'll be releasing the bags. I'm pretty sure they release it by color, so when they emailed me and said the chocolate bags are going to come out on November 9th, 9 a.m. Eastern time, I literally set an alarm on my phone for 8:58 so that way I can just wake up, go to the website, click check out when I was ready. Also, a little tip, so the day before I already pull up the link. Like for example, I wanted the small shopping bag, so I already pulled up the tab on my phone, so when the next morning comes I just go on the tab and refresh it until 9 a.m. came. So that's how I was able to secure this bag. So let's open it for reals. I'm so excited, guys. I'm just kidding. It's literally just like this, but so, ooh, it's in the bag, I think. So I just have all of my details here, the invoice basically. And inside we have this package right here. So it just comes in a regular Ziploc bag. And yeah, it doesn't really have like any logos to it. It just has a sticker that says dark brown small shopper and the barcode, and on the back it literally just has the warning label. So yeah. Oh, actually it does have the logo. The logo's right here. I thought it was on the bag, but it's on the bag in the back. So let's go ahead and open her.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Okay. So this is what the bag looks like. So it's just a basic white dust bag and it has like black closures and the black logo right here. Oh my god, the color is so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. Oh my god, the color is literally what I wanted this bag to be. Like, it's literally true to color. Oh my god. It's actually pretty small now that I look at it, but
on the inside of the bag, or the dust bag, is the bag, and it also comes, oh, never mind. This is her. It's so cute. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. Okay, let me take a thumbnail real quick. This probably won't be the thumbnail, but this is what she looks like. It comes off pretty true to color. Actually, it's a little bit dark in person, but this is what it looks like. It's coming off a little lighter on camera, but it is like really close to the shade that I'm showing you guys right now. It's a really pretty rich chocolate brown color. This is in the color chocolate, if I didn't mention that already. And oh, I'm so excited. Let me use scissors.
I'm so excited.
So I just cut off the tape for this part and it's coming off really like wavy, but I'm sure as time goes by and as I wear it, then it'll like be straight, so I'm hoping. But this is what it looks like. It looks really small on camera. I feel like it could hold a lot. I think this is a standard size for a crossbody bag, like a mini crossbody bag in my opinion. This is actually bigger than most crossbody bags I own, like the mini ones. So yeah, on the inside, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna show you guys again. This is what it looks like. Super freaking cute. And this is what it looks like on the side. So it's a whole 360 view. That's what it looks like bottom. And this is actually vegan leather. So on the inside it has the logo. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it has the logo on the inside, and that's just what it looks like. Here, let's open it up a bit more. So this is how much you can put in here. First impression, I really do like the color of the bag. It's literally what I expected. And oh, I forgot, there is a magnetic closure. It doesn't really make a noise when you clasp it. It's very like light. Actually, it makes a noise now, but yeah. So I'm gonna see what I can fit in here. First things first, my keys, hand sanitizer, and my wallet. Put that in here. Okay, pretty much fits. Okay, what's next? What should I put in here? Should I put my glass? I feel like that wouldn't. My glasses case, that would not fit. Actually, a glasses case does fit. And let's put the AirPods in here. Not bad. Let's put a phone in here. Okay, let's put a lip balm. Lip balm. I feel like that's basically it. That's basically all you can put in here. Well, for me, that's literally all I need on a daily basis. So that's it. I really, really love this bag. I was afraid the bag would be too small, but it's literally, in my opinion, the perfect go-to bag if you don't really carry a lot of things. And I definitely recommend the small size shopping bag. So for me, all the things that I need literally fit in here. I have my eyeglasses, my phone, my AirPods, my wallet slash keychain, and my hand sanitizer, and also my lip balm. So that's literally everything that I can fit in here. There's a little bit of room. I'm just gonna show you guys. There's a little bit of room like right here. Like I literally can put like a lipstick in there or something. The bag does get heavy depending on what things you put in here, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, I really, really love this bag. The bag is really good quality. Literally met all of my expectations in the bag. The color, the quality, and the size. So yeah. Okay, so I just tried the bag on. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing clips of me wearing this bag full body at the end of this video. I really do like it crossbody. I like to wear my bags like this just to ensure that it won't fall, but yeah, I'm 5'3", so it literally just goes, actually it's just about below my belly button. So that is all for my first impressions and unboxing of the small chocolate Telfar bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it a little bit helpful. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you secured a Telfar bag, you participated in the bag security program, or you're still waiting to get your first bag. Also, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!